All right, talking about tonight's web weather extra, I'm going to start with something you typically don't see here in northeastern Ohio and northwestern Pennsylvania, at least not in late January. Had a picture of some daffodils trying to come up. Take a look at that. Hard to believe, but the temperatures have been warm, of course, way above normal. We're pushing almost 7 degrees above normal for this month, and it looks like we're going to stay above normal tomorrow on into Wednesday and even Thursday, but the temperature slides as we go into the end of the week toward the weekend. Now, we are coming out of the coldest time of the year on average, but it looks like we have a little reversal as we've been pretty warm through those coldest 2 weeks of the year this year, and now we're starting to slide on down with temperatures actually below normal as we go on into the weekend. So let's talk about how we get there. Right now, that coldest air still way up into Canada. That'll be moving in later this week and try to set up here over eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania, but a little bump of warm air will move in out of the south first as the storm system slides on through, and then that coldest air sliding in. Now tonight, some cooler temperatures thanks to a storm system moving up the coast, and of course it has been throwing a lot of rain in our direction here as this big storm heads toward New England, and it's just flinging that moisture around through Pennsylvania, pushing it on into eastern Ohio. And that'll be the case through this evening into tonight. Here's a look at Future Tracker, and I went ahead and rolled this out in a bigger picture just so you can see what's going on. The storm to the east will move out of here into tomorrow morning. Still a small chance of a snowflake mixing in as we go through tonight as that rain wraps up, and then we get our break after tomorrow morning. Now, I'm expecting a lot of clouds around tomorrow, and then by late tomorrow into tomorrow night, that's when even a little bit of clearing will try to take shape through early Wednesday morning. Might see some sunshine, and then the next storm system. Now, this is the game changer as we get into late Wednesday and Wednesday night. That's going to push a cold front through here with rain, and then back over to snow showers as we go through the end of the week. And we'll get lake effect snow fired up here all across northeastern Ohio and northwestern Pennsylvania. Lake water still really warm for this time of the year, and because of this warm stretch we've been under, the lake hasn't frozen. Now, of course, typically this time of the year, we'd have a pretty good layer of ice across Lake Erie, but not this season, that's for sure. So those lake effect snow showers are getting going, and that snow will just continue to add up as we go through the week and on into the weekend. So here's a good look at your 7-day forecast. I want to talk about that colder air sliding in for us later this week. Temperatures in the upper 30s here on Thursday, low 30s by Friday, and around 30 degrees into the weekend with that chance of snow showers for us. So looking at that risk of snow not only through the end of the week and into the weekend, but through early next week. And right now it looks like that cold air is going to try to stick around on into February. So definitely snapping back to temperatures actually below normal instead of above normal as we get on out into that 7-day forecast.